welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. So nice to have you. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. I appreciate you. In the last video, I showed you how to do a plant hanger. In this video, I will show you how to do another plant hanger. This time it will be done from jute. It will have 2 tiers. The first thing I have done here is cut 6 pieces of jute rope. They're about 70 inches each. I have strung them through a little metal ring. I string them until they're halfway. So I have 6 pieces on one side and 6 pieces on the other side. Now the next step is to go ahead and just put a tie. So I'll make the tie. Now I have my tie. I will go ahead and I will put a dab of hot glue in the middle here. So I'll bring the 12 pieces together. And then I'll use a thinner piece of jute rope. I'll just tie it around here to get it started. Then I'm going to wrap it around and around, so I'll be creating a band. The next step is to make our first tier, and what I'm going to do is take 3 strands and I'm gonna go ahead and make a knot just about here. Now in the previous video I show you how to measure up your pot that you'll be using the plant hanger for, and in that way you can know how long to cut your strands. So you can check that video out. I'll take another 3. I'll make a knot just about the same place as the first one. Okay, now I'm going to go back and I am going to start plaiting the strands. Gonna stop plaiting just about here, and I'll just put a little glue so it doesn't come undone. Finish it off. Now for the bottom section, I am gonna do similar to what I did up here. I'll just get 3 strands that are closest together. I'll make a knot. Now I'm gonna plait these. To finish it off, I have some tassel remnants. This is my two-tiered macrame plant hanger, my friends. So I have a couple plants here on the desk. Let's see if I can get them in to show you guys how it looks and functions. Check that out. That's the first tier. And now for the second tier. There you go. This is my two-tiered macrame plant hanger. Easy to do. You can get this done in less than half an hour. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. If you like this idea, please give me 2 thumbs up, share and share and share again. Also, leave me your comments. Let me know what you think. If you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead. Hit that subscription button and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.